Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to maximize Gemini 2.0 analytics for business decisions. So just tap on Gemini 2.0 version and I will just attach the data example. I will just put this image and it is baby toy market revenue of 2023 to 2030. So I will just attach it and I will ask to this Gemini identify this image and analyzing this business is actionable in site in 2024. So let's see the answer about this pic I attached. So the image shows a bar graph depicting project revenue growth for the baby toys market from 23 to 2030. The data is sourced from the Next Move Strategy Consulting. So here an analysis and actionable insights for 2024. So here is the consistent growth. The graph clearly indicates a steady upward trend in baby toy market revenue each year from 23 to 2030 shows an increase suggesting a healthy and expanding market, and it is a moderate growth rate. While there's growth, it appears to be incremental and rather than exponential. The bars increase at a relatively consistent pace, indicating a stable but not explosive expansion. So the market size is the revenue is projected to grow from roughly 13 billion in 2023 to nearly 20 billion by 2030. This signifies a substantial market with significant potential. So the actionable insight for 2K24 is focus on innovation and new product. So here you will see it will tells you that this business is a competitor of staying informed about the latest market trends and competitor activities is critical for maintaining a competitive edge, and conducting market research and analyzing competitor strategies can provide valuable insights. So in 2024, implement a system for continuously market monitoring and competitive analysis. By focusing on these actionable insights, business can effectively capitalize of the growth opportunities presented by the baby toys market in 2K24 and beyond. So you can see, you will just put a image, or if you have a format data in your raw data, means that in Excel sheets. So if you have some sales, if you have any business and you will just have data, so you can just also attach with him and you will just help to analyze your business decisions. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.